How to add WhatsApp group link in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now to do that, here you can see you can tap on edit profile, and then here on the bio option, you can just add your link over here. Now to get the link, you can just go back and tap on the WhatsApp application and tap on any of the group that you would want to add the link to. So here I've selected this group over here. So just tap on the group name over here at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on invite via link. Then tap on copy link, and as the link has been copied, go back to the TikTok application on your device and then paste it in your bio. So just make a long press and paste it and then tap on save. And there you go, you have added a WhatsApp group link in TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.